Good financial modelling skills are very much in demand. Whether you are a graduate or a professional looking to take your next career step in the finance sector, developing critical modelling skills will get you noticed and set you up for success. But where do you start? We're Operis, one of the world's most respected financial modelling firms. Over the past 25 years, we've trained thousands of analysts from leading companies and financial institutions, giving them the confidence, knowledge and skills to build robust and reliable financial models from scratch. Our recognised best practice approach to financial modelling continues to produce some of the industry's finest financial modellers. Through the Financial Modelling Essentials course, you too will have full access to this same approach and expert instruction, preparing you to become a financial modeller ready to tackle real-world modelling challenges. During this 10-module online course, you will learn to develop and build a robust financial model from a blank Excel spreadsheet, construct and integrate the 3 financial statements, create a discounted cash flow model to analyse and evaluate a project, create a model with multiple scenarios, quickly find and correct errors in your model, carry out regular modelling tasks faster than ever before. The Financial Modelling Essentials course is not your typical online learning course. This is learning by doing. Explanatory videos presented by our expert tutors take you step by step through the process of building a financial model. You'll be able to check your work as you go with our unique self-marking system. By doing so, you will practice and master a wide range of time-saving Excel shortcuts and modelling techniques that will start you on the journey to becoming a first-class financial modeller. To recognise your completion of the Financial Modelling Essentials course, you will be awarded an Operis digital badge you can share on sites like LinkedIn and embed on your online CV. An Operis digital badge is a great way to demonstrate what you've learned to employees and recruiters looking for highly trained modellers and analysts. Your learning doesn't have to stop when you've completed the course. You'll have the option to enhance your learning even further by purchasing 1 year's access to an award-winning AI-powered learning tool that's proven to increase your financial modelling competency. Our AI tool quickly identifies what you know and don't know, creating a personalised learning plan on your smartphone, tablet or desktop to help you understand, retain and improve your financial modelling knowledge. With our AI tool in your hands, there's now no more guesswork in how to build accurate financial models. No more wondering, what do top financial modellers in banks, institutions and accountancy firms know that you don't know? And no more fear about how you can improve your modelling knowledge every single day. So, if you're ready to start learning financial modelling for a future role or want to be the go-to person in your job for all things modelling, sign up today for the Financial Modelling Essentials course. Learn modelling effectively, learn modelling efficiently with Operis.